Alright guys, check it out. Bought this Tupperware, and I bought like a set for like $2, like $2.50 most. Comes with like 5, I think, of them, right? And I made fender flares as also, covering electronics at the same time, I guess. Wheel wells or whatever you want to call them, to cover, the bottom of your truck. But anyways, so I cut half of it and I posted it up earlier on Facebook, and I guess people liked it and wanted to see how I did it. Like I said, I cut these, I bolted it on, and then I put the body back onto the chassis, and I measured where the shock was at, and I lined it out with a marker and cut the spaces out, and it came out pretty cool, as you can see. There it is. I bolted it down. You can't see, it's all one piece, so it doesn't, it doesn't come out or it doesn't push in. The fender flare all the way inside. It's one piece. It covers the electronics pretty good, as you can see. It came out awesome. I liked it. Did it all the way around. Same with this. I don't like that. I can obviously put some either shoe glue, mess around with it, let it dry, and paint it black, and that's that, But check it out. Same thing there. On electronics, it covered it up really good. It looks nice. It looks actually like if it was made for this truck. Sorry, I'm trying to rotate this truck. It's getting stuck. Yeah, as you can see, here's the back. Covers up everything inside. Flip it around. See that? Covers it up. Nothing in there. Can't see, at least. Check it out. So it came out pretty good. If you look closely, you can actually see the logo in there somewhere. But yeah, if you spray enough, it won't show as much. Little night custom door handles. So I liked it. It came out cool, guys. Let me get some up close shots. You can check out the truck, how it looks detailed. And if you take your time, it comes out pretty nice, If you rush it, it's gonna come out ugly. This little bumper, they were asking me earlier where I got it from. Night Customs. Same thing with the grill. Little blower inside. The snorkel. There it is. So yeah, just wanted to let y'all see how they came out. They came out really good. The exhaust from Night Customs too. But check it out. Check out those wheel guards, whatever you want to call them. Fender wells. Man, I hate that little stand. It doesn't let me rotate the truck. But there it is. Let me know what y'all think, guys.